wanna be alone tonight.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name's tobinmua. If you are new, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be this fun pride makeup tutorial. This is a super simple and easy makeup look. I absolutely love how the look turned out. And if you guys do want to see how to recreate this look, then just keep on watching. So for today's look, it's going to be a really fun one, and it's going to be something pretty much very close to me. I'm going to be doing a rainbow look because today is actually June 1st, which is the start of Pride Month for us LGBTQ plus people. So I wanted to do a rainbow look, and I have this look in mind that I want to do. And yeah, so I'm just going to do this look, and I'm going to go this way across, so red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple across my face. So I'm just going to get started. I am not really going to talk during this tutorial just because I feel like it's going to take a lot. And like I said, I'm going to be using my 35B palette today. So break out your colorful palette if you guys want to recreate this look. And yeah, let's get started.
Baby, I'm dancing with a stranger. 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 Look what you made me do. I'm somebody. Ooh, baby, I'm dancing with a stranger. Look what you made me do. I'm somebody new. Ooh, baby, I'm dancing with a stranger.
So I ended up just doing putting foundation on the rest of my face for now, just because I don't know, I didn't like how it was looking.
Dancing with a stranger.
so threw on my Dodo Lashes D501 lashes and my Eyes Still Popping contacts in the style or the color Sky Gray. And yeah, so now let's go on to the rest of the face. I'm going to go in with bronzer and blush, and the blush and bronzer I'm going to be using is from the Honeymoon palette from Gerard Cosmetics. That's what it looks like. And I'm just going to bronze up my skin. So now I'm going to go on with the blush, and I'm going to use the wiped up blush. Take a little bit of my setting powder, just go right over the blush, just to calm it down. Can go a little heavy on blush today, I guess. So now I'm going to be going in with one of my new favorite lip combos at the moment, and that is Gerard Cosmetics lip pencil in the shade Underground and Jeffree Star's liquid lipstick in Posh Space. And I love these two together. Like, these look so good together. I'm absolutely obsessed. So I'm just going to line my lips. These lip pencils are so creamy and glide on so nice. So now I'm going to just go in with the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick. And I like to just take it in the center pretty much. And I add as I go. So for last step, I'm going to spray my face with the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day setting spray in the scent Watermelon. And then I'm going to be going in with Amrezy and Anastasia highlighter. Once you are done with that, this is my final pride look. I absolutely love how this look turned out. Something super simple, but really fun to do. I hope you guys like it. I love it. I'm obsessed with how it turned out. So I hope you guys liked it. If you did, definitely give this video a thumbs up. If you are not already subscribed, make sure you are subscribed by hitting that red subscribe button right below this video, and click that bell right next to it so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And make sure you're following me on Instagram and Twitter. Both those are at tobinmua. If you have not already, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.